Every day, 29 people die in a crash involving an impaired driver. That is one person every 50 minutes. In the time it will take me to shoot, edit, and release this video, 3 people will have died from an impaired driver. In 2019, there's simply no reason for this. Now more than ever before, it's easy to avoid driving while impaired with affordable ride-sharing services such as Uber, Lyft, and even cell phones making a responsible driver just a call or text away. So there's simply just no excuse. It's the end of the school year, which means graduations, parties, and summer vacations. Especially here in Louisiana, we know that celebrations often involve alcohol, but they do not have to include impaired driving. Besides avoiding the possibility of hurting or killing an innocent person, which should be enough of a reason, here are some reasons to avoid driving while impaired. The first and second offense for operating while intoxicated includes hefty fines that can range anywhere from $300 to $1,000. Not what you wanted to spend your graduation money on. You could also spend anywhere from 2 days to 6 months in jail. And did you know that child endangerment laws require a minimum mandatory jail time if a child 12 or under is in the vehicle? Now, if you're convicted, you will lose your driver's license, which could be at least for a year or perhaps even longer. There will also be costs associated with having your license reinstated, and the court may require that you install an ignition interlocking device in your vehicle, which again is costly and time consuming. Additionally, you have to get this special kind of insurance called an SR22 insurance, which is basically a document your insurance company files with the state to prove that you have insurance coverage. And as you can expect, the insurance premiums will be extremely high. Now, a third offense makes you a felon. Not something you'd want to disclose on a job application. And speaking of that job, you may have a hard time getting there if you're in court-ordered rehab, your car has been seized, or you do not qualify for hardship license after having your license suspended for 3 years, all of which are possible penalties for a third offense. Additionally, you will face fines of $2,000 and jail time range from anywhere from 1 to 5 years. And all of this is only if you do not cause injury to another person. If you do injure another person while driving while impaired, you could face up to $2,000 in fines and up to 5 years in prison. Now, if someone is killed due to your impaired driving, you could face fines between $2,000 to $15,000 and a minimum 5 years in prison or up to 30 years. So in summary, an OWI conviction could lead you to jail time, hefty fines, court costs, high insurance rates, probation, community service, and so on. Additionally, if you fight the conviction, then you can expect hefty attorney's fees. So just spend $8 on the Uber to get home safely. That $8 is nothing compared to the consequences you could face for driving while impaired. I'm Blaze Zena with Murphy's Law and Dunn. Just remember, just because it can go wrong, it doesn't mean it has to.